What the fuck is up? What's Gucci? What's going on? What's glorious? What's good? We are back in action with AJ and UC UCAD. It is 12:23 a.m. on Wednesday morning. And what do we have here in the markets? What we got going on is, oh yeah. So between now and the previous video, we got that retest of the 80.2 zone that I was looking for. So I went ahead and entered long. I entered at the 80.22, but I entered long with the target of the 81.6 like we were discussing last time. At the moment, price is rejecting off of our 80.5 zone, which is the trade we were in yesterday. We were looking for that bullish move from about right here, from the 80.05 up to the 80.5. So we're here now. We're getting this M formation. So I'm just gonna move my stop loss up to the 80.5 on this trade. I'm expecting price to retest maybe the 80.3 or even retest the 80.2. Let's check this out on the H4. Yeah, see, we're getting a reversal pattern on this H4 chart. So we might get a retest of the 80.2. From there, we will either, the trade will be closed out if price goes down and touches the 80.05, or price will bounce off this 80.2. And, hold on. Price will either bounce off this 80.2 and continue bullish. And if it does do that, when it breaks above our 80.5 zone, when it breaks above and retests the 80.6 level, then I will scale in another trade. But until then, we're just patiently waiting and watching AJ. Let's look at UCAD. UCAD, I was expecting a reversal around here, around the 1.2945. And I was looking for that retest of the 1.297 zone. 1.297? Yeah, the 1.29700. Never got that, as you can see. Price is currently playing around with this zone right here at the right on the 1.293.5, we'll call it 1.293, 1.2935 zone. Price is dancing, but it looks like we're gonna hit our. Looks like price is already on its way to tapping our take profit down here at the 1.2925. So, I mean, on this trade, I guess it's safe to bring my stop up to the 1.29700 just to have it in profit and make it a risk-free trade. I haven't even touched this trade ever since I got into it. So let's do that. What are we looking for? 1.297. 297. $1.297. Okay, risk-free trading. Here we are. Life is good. But yeah, so I mean, as you can see, I'm in two trades with UCAD. One of them has the take profit at 1.2925. The other one has no take profit. But that one I'm just gonna ride out as far as it can go. As I mentioned earlier, we're looking for, based on the daily chart, we are looking for a 2.77 zone. So that other trade with no take profit, I'm looking to ride it down to the 2.77 zone. Now that that trade is risk-free, anything can happen. I don't care what happens as long as I get my profits. So hold on, let me adjust this. Yeah, and so as we mentioned earlier, we're looking for price to head down to the 2.77 zone, the 1.2977. Was it? Or just 1.277 zone, support zone. We're looking for price to head down there. And so, what? Yeah, if we get a break below this 1.2905, 1.2900 level and a retest, we will enter, I spoke about this earlier, we will enter short, we will short the market down to the 1.277. Should be about 130 pips, I'll fucks with that. With we'll have our stop right here around the 1.2945, we'll say. 40 pip stop for 130 pip gain. I'll fuck with that. So yeah, that's UCAD. As of now, we're just waiting and watching, you know, no stress. Looking back on AJ, I wanted to point out that our bullish target looks appropriate because it lines up with a 70.7 fib, which I don't really mind using. However, should we get this break above our 80.5 to 80.6 zone, I'll keep my eye on this, on our 81.45 level. Oh shit. Undo. Click you. Copy paste. Yeah, we'll be looking at this 80.45 level. We'll see how price reacts around there, because I feel like should we get a break above this level and a push, we would probably get a candle body with wicks up to this zone. But you never know. You never know. So yeah, that's what we're looking for right here. We're looking for possible reject off of the 80.35, or we're getting a rejection off of this 80.5. And then once that happens, we're looking for a possible reject off the 80.2 or the 80.35, and we're looking to enter the market long for the 81.45 to 81.6 level. That's on AJ. On UCAD, we're still looking for price to continue bearish along this along our trend line down to our 2.77 zone. Oh shit. Excuse me, what the fuck did I just do? Whoa. But yeah, other than that, we're chilling. This area could give us a bit of support because we do have, as you can see, our trend line and our support zone. So we will keep an eye out for that. Should price reject off of our 1.292 zone, support zone, we'll be looking to enter long back up to our 1.299. Other than that, I'm gonna let the market do her thing. We may get a little bit of a sideways market around here, let the market breathe, but you never know. But until next time, this is the Daily Candle. Peace, love, prosperity, pips, and happiness, plus joy and patience.